Hello and welcome back to our video. This problem, we have this line. We're told that a point which is not shown with the coordinates st lies on the graph of this function. And we're looking for what is the ratio of t to s. So to do that, we're going to have to find the equation of this line. So we have the point 3, 6, and we have the fact that it goes to the origin, so we have the point 0, 0. If we want to get into slope-intercept form, we have to find m, we have to find the slope, which is going to be the change in y over the change in x. So the change in y from 3, 6 to 0, 0 is 6 to 0, so 6 minus 0. The change in x is 3 to 0, so 3 minus 0. So make sure you're subtracting in the right direction. Right? You can pick either way, but you have to do it the same way both times. 6 minus 0 is 6, 3 minus 0 is 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So you have y is equal to 2x plus b is the y-intercept, the point where the line intercepts the y-axis, which is at the origin, so it's just 0. Y is equal to 2x plus 0, y is just equal to 2x. So the point st is on the line, so therefore if s is the x value of this point and t is the y value, we can plug in t for y and s for x and get t for y is equal to 2 times s for x, so t is equal to 2s. We know this because any point that is on the line satisfies the equation of the line. So if we know t is equal to 2s, the ratio of t to s, right, t to s is 2s to s, so 2 to 1. So the ratio is 2 to 1. That lines up with C, is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.